Oh, God.
Oh, that's delicious.
What was it?
That's delicious. Something else. Okay. No, the food that I was showing. Hold on. Go back a little bit. Stop. Oh. They are doing it again.
Doing what?
What they were doing in the 60s.
What were they doing in the 60s?
They were paying scientists to try and prove that there is no link between cigarette smoking and cancer. Because they didn't want to lose their market. It's all about money and profit.
Well, how are they doing that today?
Oh, glad you asked. It's the same thing, only that this time is a different product. Now the biggest thing on earth today is
Global warming?
yeah, global warming and things like that, ozone layer. And these things are caused by pollution. Who is responsible for global warming? Pollution. One main cause of pollution, petroleum and petroleum products. So rich petroleum companies are paying scientists to try and prove that there is no link between global warming and greenhouse emission. What would happen if so many people believe that? They'll demand better cars or even electric cars. That will kill their business. You get it?
Yeah, I think I've seen some of that on the internet, actually. Let me show you.